Hello, this is Stella Oh, senior in the Art and Science department, majoring in art history and studio art. Today, I would like to show you my wall drawing project, Ego. This project was inspired from my daily walks in this pandemic era, which made me think of my identity and my ego. During the walks, I was intrigued by the different appearances of the tree trunks, that all the trees have different tree barks, like people having different appearances. Besides, it is not only the appearance, but also representing their history and their life. Some might have been trimmed by human beings, naturally diseased or broken, which caused how they appear now. I started with painting the paper with watercolor, mimicking the color of the wall that I have decided to install the drawings on. Then I drew 6 different trees that I have encountered from the walks with Indian ink. Finally, I installed the drawings on the wall and photographed it throughout the day, capturing the shadow cast from the tree on the side of the wall. I wanted to capture the changing shadow cast with the drawings to represent time passing, like people aging. I wanted to depict different tree barks representing different egos and install them on the wall to show the listing of various identities. I hope the viewers could have the experience of encountering the ego of their own from my drawings, and further encounter their own egos in their daily life. I loved drawing and going to the galleries since I was young. I thought that art is the only thing that I would willingly do forever, which drove me to study art. I'm currently back in my home country, Korea. I'm preparing for the trips according to the Ramsey Awards, planning to visit different galleries in different places in Korea to learn more about Korean local artists' works. As an art history and studio art majoring student in the US, I'm mostly exposed to the international artworks. This has made me more curious about my culture, my community, and art, which is again related to my identity and my ego.